Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today we will learn English through a magical and relaxing story. The title of today's story is The Secret Garden. In this lesson, you will improve your listening, learn useful vocabulary, and practice speaking English. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Lily lived in a small house near a quiet road. Behind her house, there was an old wall. The wall was tall and covered with green vines. Lily always wondered what was behind it. One sunny afternoon, Lily decided to explore. She walked along the wall slowly. Suddenly, she saw something strange. There was a small wooden door hidden behind the vines. The door was old and dusty. Lily's heart beat faster. What is behind this door? She thought. She gently pushed the door. Creak. The door opened slowly. Inside, Lily saw a beautiful garden. It was full of colorful flowers. Red flowers, yellow flowers, purple flowers. Butterflies flew in the air. Birds were singing softly. Lily stepped inside. She looked around with wonder. "This place is amazing," she whispered. In the middle of the garden, there was a small bench. Lily sat down and closed her eyes. The air was fresh and peaceful. It felt like a secret world. Every day after that, Lily visited the garden. She took care of the plants. She watered the flowers. She cleaned the path. Slowly, the garden became even more beautiful. One day, Lily brought her friend Emma. Emma was surprised. "Wow, this is incredible," she said. Lily smiled. "It's our secret garden," she said. From that day, the garden became a special place. A place for peace, a place for friendship, and a place for quiet happiness. Now let's learn some important words from the story. Garden. A garden is a place where flowers and plants grow. Example: the garden was full of flowers. Secret. Secret means something hidden or not known by many people. Example: the garden was a secret place. Door. A door is something you open to enter a place. Example: Lily found a small wooden door. Peaceful. Peaceful means calm and quiet. Example: the garden felt peaceful. Now let's listen again. This time, listen slowly and repeat. Lily found a hidden door. She opened it. Inside was a beautiful garden. The garden was full of flowers. Lily visited the garden every day. She took care of it. She shared the secret with her friend. The garden became a place of peace and happiness. Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. This is a beautiful garden. It is our secret place. The flowers are colorful. I feel peaceful here. Great job. Excellent work today. You just learned English through the story. The Secret Garden. Remember, sometimes the most beautiful places are hidden and quiet. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more English learning stories. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning English!